we're going to be using the Worx Hydroshot. So we'll do the straightforward 1 bucket. We won't put any detergent or anything in it. We'll leave that as it is. And we'll just refoam it and go straight back over it. Like a number of people have said, just out of curiosity. I think it's exactly the same really. But the important thing is make sure you've got your grit guards in the bottom. That is really important, because that is what's going to do the work really. I've got 2 of them in there. And for this, we're going to be using the Worx Hydroshot. This is mains water, by the way. We're not siphoning today. Now we'll see what this is like. This is your snow foam in here, and we're going to carry on and do once again the side of the van, just to see what happens. We'll connect him in. Now that's the flow of water you want to connect, all right? Any less than that and you're just wasting your time. There isn't a lot of pressure in here, to be honest, so connect it in like that. And let's see what happens with this. Hopefully that's not going to burst off the end. Sometimes they do. This is one-handed, by the way. So let's see how this beast works. So there's our mitt. I've not got nothing in that bucket. It's just straightforward distilled water. All right. So we'll put that in. Give it a good soak out. Right, and then we're going to start at the top. All you're going to be doing is this. Okay. Not pressing too hard. Like that. Okay. Once again, turn it over and do the same on the other side. Give that a good rub off in the water. That's what your grit guard's for. Okay. Once again. On the wing part. Now, as we come down the lower part of the vehicle, this is probably more important now, because obviously that's the grimy bit, but it's not as bad because we've already done something too, haven't we? So once again, turn over. In your bucket. Now we know this is the most grottiest part of the vehicle, so once this way, turn it over, once that way, rinse off. Same here, once again, this way, and like this. And then obviously on your plastics you can just go round it, like that. And now we're going to be using the Worx Hydroshot to remove all that soap suds that are left. And obviously for drying a vehicle, WORX Leaf Blower. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. So I'm going to be using this. Let's just fly off. And just in case there's any little bubbles left, just go over it, get them off.
With a large microfiber cloth, it just brings up the bodywork beautifully.
So there we go. That's doing it a different way to what I would normally do. I normally do 2 buckets. Today, I tried the 1 bucket with this product. And I'm looking at it. It's not too bad. Would I recommend anybody buying it? Yeah, I'd recommend you buying it. But please remember, it is expensive. If you're going to buy it and you want it half price, buy it in special deals. I'm going to tell you now, I'm well impressed with the shine. Don't get me wrong, this part down here, I'm still saying it just needs some work. And I mean, all the detergents you can put on it, it ain't going to get off that tar. That's a different story altogether. I mean, just look at that shine, folks. Okay, the wheels are going to have to be done. That's just, I mean, look, there's not much dust on them. I mean, that Topaz pre-wash and then the foam, that's come up really nice. And I haven't actually physically touched those wheels at all. Same on the back one. You can see it's not been finished off correctly because, look, it's dirty as hell, really still. But I'm just so impressed with that. It just makes the job when you do something, you think, oh, wow, I'm impressed with those products. Okay, like I said, the wheels need to be done. But that's cracking, isn't it? Okay, I never blew out all the water. Can't do everything, can you, folks? Yeah, I'm well impressed with that. So there we go, folks. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Gleam Truths. Laters! But in another video, we're going to be using this product. Yeah, this is the deluxe shampoo. Now, this is for your 2 buckets. Now, this, basically, 100 ml of this product into one of those buckets.